Simplify 4 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1. So let's just bring down the question. So have 4 over x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1. Remember what we said in the last time? If you're looking for, or you want to simplify fractions like this, all you need to do is to get the LCM. So the LCM of this is equal to, so we're going to put these two denominators in separate bracket. That will give us the LCM. So open bracket, you pick the first one, that's x plus 1, close the bracket. You pick the second one, x minus 1, close the bracket. So our LCM is x plus 1 in one bracket, then x minus 1 in another bracket. So let's just bring down the fraction. We have 4 over x plus 1, you can put this in bracket, minus 3 over x minus 1, close the bracket. Now since we have our LCM, you can put your line under, then put the LCM under x plus 1, close bracket, x minus 1, close bracket. So we are going to simplify each of them. So let's start with the first one, which is this. Now we have x plus 1, x plus 1. Since is the same, you can cancel. We are left with, you take the numerator, which is 4, open bracket, x plus 1 has cancelled x plus 1. You are left with what? X minus 1. So you can put that x minus 1, close the bracket. Now you have minus, let's do the other one. 3 is the numerator, you bring the 3 out, open brackets. Now we have x minus 1 here, x minus 1 here, so it will cancel. You are left with what? X plus 1. So x plus 1 in the bracket. Now I want to open the bracket. So whatever you have outside the bracket, that's what you use to multiply everything inside the bracket. Now for the first one, we have 4 outside the bracket, so you use to multiply this. While the second one, we have what? 3. You need to multiply everything. We are still going to do the same thing to the denominator. So let's multiply. Now 4 times s will give us 4x minus, because of this minus sign, 4 times 1 is 4. Now we have minus 3 times x will give us what? 3x. Now we have 3 times 1 is 3, but because of this minus sign here, it's affecting it, so the sign will change to what? To minus. That will give us minus 3 over. Now let's open the denominator. Remember, you use this to multiply, then you still use s to also multiply 1. So let's take that. S times s will give us s squared. Now because of this minus sign, we have minus here. X times 1 will give us 1x, or you can just write x. Now we are done with this one. You use this to multiply. The same thing. Use 1 to multiply x, and also use 1 to multiply what? 1. Now 1 times x, because of this sign, so we have plus, so this is plus. 1 times s will give us what? X. Now we have minus here, minus. 1 times 1 will give us 1. Now we can collect like terms. Now we are not crossing any equal sign, so the signs remain the same. So we have 4x, we have x here, so minus 3x minus 4 minus 3 over s squared. Now minus x plus x, same thing as saying minus 1 plus 1, that's, you cancel, so minus 1. So this is equal to, now 4x minus 3x, that's 4 minus 3 will give us 1. So 1x is the same thing as what? X. Now minus 4 minus 3, that's minus 7, meaning you borrowed 4 naira, you went back again to borrow another 3 naira. By mathematics, when you borrow, it's minus. So total that you borrowed is 7. So because you are borrowing, to be minus 7 over s squared minus 1. Final answer. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Math Speak, for more video.